Is your TikTok shop throwing a tantrum with that dreaded something went wrong message? Don't panic. We're about to troubleshoot it together in just 90 seconds. First things first, let's give the TikTok app a fresh start. Completely close the app, swipe it away from your recent apps list to ensure it's fully shut down, not just minimized. Next, let's clear some potentially corrupted data. Head to your phone settings. Find the app management section. It might be called apps or applications, depending on your device, and locate TikTok. Once you're in TikTok's app info, tap on storage or storage usage. You'll see options to clear the cache and clear data. Start by clearing the cache. Then reopen TikTok and see if the issue persists. If clearing the cache doesn't work, go back and clear data. But be aware that this will log you out of the app. Now, let's check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the error. Sometimes, a weak connection is all it takes to trigger the something went wrong message. Outdated apps can cause all sorts of problems. Head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for TikTok. If there's an update available, tap Update to install the latest version. As a last resort, try restarting your phone. This can often resolve minor software glitches that might be interfering with TikTok Shop's functionality. A simple restart can work wonders. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these steps has helped to banish that annoying something went wrong error and get your TikTok shop back on track. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Happy shopping!